What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a look at the brand new Lost Horizon Align Plus model mattress for your Tesla Model Ys. This is a really cool mattress that's going to conform to the shape of your back seats to give you a nice level surface in your Model Y. It's going to be really cool. I can't wait to unbox it, inflate it, and give you my first impressions. Let's get into it. So if you guys have ever looked into car camping or camping in your Tesla, you've no doubt heard of Lost Horizon. Every time people talk about Tesla mattresses or camping in your Tesla, I always see this brand show up, Lost Horizon. I'm really excited to partner with them for this video to give you one of the first looks of this Align Plus model, show you how it conforms to the back seats of your Tesla if you're looking for that really true flat sleeping surface. So let's go ahead and talk about the mattress, and let's open it up here and see what it actually comes with. So first off, you get this really cool kind of carrying bag with a nice shoulder strap. I like that. Most of the mattresses I review only have kind of carry handles on it. This is a unique style mattress that has this really kind of closing clamp here. And I like that they put the instructions in the user guide right here. It's not a piece of paper that you'll actually fly off and you'll lose, right? Shows you how to set everything up, take it out. There's an inflate and deflate nozzle. It comes with a little pump as well, so it should have everything you need right here to get you started, as well as packing it up and everything too. So let's take it out and let's actually have a look at everything that it comes with, and then we'll show you some of its really cool features. So as we get this mattress set up, I want to talk about the slope. As you can kind of see in the video, there's already kind of an angle on the back seats when they lay flat. They don't lay completely flat. The cushions touch each other underneath the actual Model Y seats, so you have this kind of angle right there. This mattress is designed to address that 100% and is custom tailored to conform to those seats. So that's what we're going to test out here. I have a big 6-foot level we'll actually test out, and we'll see how it does. So first off, talking about this actual fabric. This is a silent 30D fabric. It's really cool. It's going to be nice and durable for you. And it's really supposed to eliminate all that squeaking and noise that you'd get from a traditional air mattress sleeping in your Model Y. So setting this up is super simple. You can see it's just kind of unfolding. I'm just pushing it up in there, and then we're going to just turn this and open it up. And it really fits in both of your original Model Ys, like mine. I have a 2022 Model Y. Or if you have the Model Y Juniper, it'll fit in that just fine as well. So it's really set up. One neat thing about this mattress is that it does have air and foam inside it. It's not just a traditional air mattress, so it's going to be extremely comfortable. We're going to lay on it in a little bit when we get it filled up, and it's going to be super comfortable to do. Another neat thing that they chose to do is the valve is actually at the front of your Model Y. So we're going to head up there and I'll show you how to fill it up. We'll turn that valve to the one inflate way, and then we'll actually use the air pump and we'll get this thing filled up. So up here at the front of my Model Y, you can come down here and actually see the valve. We're going to be accessing here in a little bit, but I want to take a look at the little included air pump. It comes in a really nice Lost Horizon bag, and it's just a little rechargeable air pump. That's just going to do exactly what you need it to do. It's going to fit right on there. It's USB-C rechargeable, which is really nice, and I really like how they included this for you if you want to help fill up your mattress and then deflate it faster. So let's actually open this up. We'll make sure that one-way valve is set the right way, and then we'll start using this pump and see how long it takes to fill up the mattress. So opening up the valve here and kind of giving it a little push, and then you can kind of see how I turn that? That's the one-way valve, and I want to turn it to the inflate side. And what it's doing is, you can probably hear that on the camera, what it's doing, it's actually sucking air in right now, because this was really deflated. We sucked all the air out when they ship it to you. Now it's opening up. It's putting air back into it just from atmospheric pressure, if you will. So I don't want to wait here forever, because this is a self-inflating mattress that will inflate all the way by itself if you wait for like 30 minutes from what I've read. But if you want to speed up the process, we're going to use the included pump. So the pump just attaches. There's no threading or anything like that. There's just a little kind of gasket or O-ring right here. It just kind of fits right in that. So go ahead and install your pump, get it cinched in there pretty good, and then it's a double click on the power button. I cannot believe how fast this little pump worked. This thing packs a serious punch. It took less than a minute to inflate this mattress, and I actually think I might have put a little bit too much air into it. I'm going to adjust it around a little bit and check the firmness, and then I'll show you if you want to deflate a bit to increase some of that softness and not have it so firm. Flip that one-way valve and you should be able to let some of the air out. So then you can adjust the firmness to how you want. So I inflated it. The mattress is really firm right now. I want to see what adjusting the actual firmness feels like. So I'm going to open this up, spin that one-way valve, just let a little bit of air out. I can see it just adjusting. Push that back. And it really kind of adjusts the softness for me. So I like that a lot. I'm going to go a little bit more. And let's see. That's perfect. I think that's really nice. I don't like a super firm mattress, even in my Model Y. So I think that actually feels really good. There you go. Just after a minute of inflation, and then I deflated it a little bit to find my preferred kind of firmness, and it works amazingly. You can actually feel the softness and the foam inside there. It's extremely comfortable. Plenty of room. I love how it conforms to all the angles of my Tesla. That's really, really nice. It's going to be a really comfortable mattress. I can already tell. I want to bring you over here and let's go look at the side profile. This is really what it's designed to do, is that align side profile. See how it kind of aligns to the back of the seats right there? It has this nice curve built into the mattress. Most mattresses are flat and they elevate your head, and so you have this slope to the mattress. This one is designed to incorporate that little slope right there to give you a little bit more cushion, a little bit more comfort, and just be a little bit flatter for you. So if you like that preferred flat sleeping surface. Coming in from this side too, it's extremely kind of comfortable and nice fabric. I did read on their website that at the top, it's really kind of more like a queen size, and down at the bottom, it's really more of like a full or twin size sheet. So what I like to do when I'm actually Tesla camping is just use a queen size fitted sheet to go over this and just tuck in all the excess all the way around. Super simple. It doesn't move around a ton at night. It works really well. So this doesn't come with a sheet. I know you can get Tesla mattress fitted sheets if you want, but I just go with the queen and it works just fine for me. I'm actually going to crawl in here and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like for a guy my size, 6 feet, sitting in here and actually testing out the mattress itself. So right off the bat, I love the actual material that this is made of. It's extremely soft, not noisy, and it feels really comfortable. The firmness I really like as well. It's a nice kind of still plush mattress. I'm glad I deflated it just a little bit, so I'd recommend that as a tip. My pillow here is just my standard pillow that I'd use on a bed at home or in any sort of situation. So this is just my standard sleeping configuration. I'm typically a side sleeper. I've slept in a mattress like this before with my wife and we've had plenty of room. My head support feels really good. If I have my shoulder here and I'm 6 feet, 200 pounds, and this is actually extremely comfortable. The head support works great. I'm not feeling any droop or anything like that. If I were to go on my back, I have plenty of support there as well. And it's 6 feet tall. My head's still not touching the top here. I have a good couple inches of clearance, and I'd easily be able to close the tailgate of my Model Y, so I'd have plenty of room down there for my feet. I don't mind sleeping in different configurations. I think this is an extremely comfortable mattress, and I love that kind of slope elimination that's part of the Align 3 lineup. While we have the mattress out, there's a few things I want to check. Lost Horizon did say they've upgraded the thickness of this mattress compared to some of their other ones. So I wanted to test this out, see what it actually is coming out at. It's right about 5 inches, maybe just a skosh over 5 inches. So it's a nice thick mattress with that air and foam. It is a little bit thicker than some of their previous mattresses. So just keep that in mind when you're looking at one of these. The second test I quickly want to check out is how level is this mattress. Again, this is in my garage, set up to my kind of spec. So I actually have about a 5-foot level here. And I want to see what it looks like if I push this all the way up to the top and look at this little level bubble right here. So I have to raise it just a little bit. So a couple inches. You still have a little bit of slope with this mattress, but it definitely eliminates some. I've used other mattresses where, it's a significant, 1 foot drop or so. This is maybe a 5-inch drop over the significant length of the mattress. So still really comfortable. That Align Plus feature to make it conform to the back seats really sets it off. So far, I'm really impressed with the thought and the design features that Lost Horizon has put into this brand new mattress. Their Option 3 Align Plus mattress. I want to deflate it now, see how long that takes, see how long we can roll it back up if it fits back in the bag. Then I want to test and see if it fits in the frunk and the sub-trunk. Let's do that next. I love that one-way valve up at the top. It really made it simple. The air is not going to rush back in as soon as I take out the plug or the little pump I was using or anything like that. It's a really cool feature. So I've sucked out as much air as I can, and you can see how much deflated this gets. Even with that foam in it, it takes a while for that pump to kind of suck all the air out because it's compressing all the foam inside the mattress. So let's fold it up. Let's actually see what we can do here. I have the actual safety strap or the securing strap that came with it. Let's roll it back up and try to get it back in that package. As we roll it back up, now that's extremely easy to do. I love that the actual strap has a nice carry handle on it as well. You could cinch this down further if you want. Hold that apart, cinch it down, and then you get a nice little secure package here. You could even put it in your sub trunk like that if you're going to use it for the next night. But for the purposes of this, I'm going to put everything away back in its bag, and let's see if it fits down in the sub trunk and in the frunk. First, let's try the sub trunk. See if it fits down in there, if I have to do any adjustments. Keep that nice and open. Put my pump down on the side there. It's perfect. Easy, nice right in the sub trunk. Plenty of room in there. Really cool. And now the frunk test. Let's see if it actually fits up here. It's a pretty big package, so I'd be kind of surprised if it does close all the way. I'm gonna give it kind of my real world test of what I think you guys would probably do is kind of like squish it down in here the best you can. So that might actually do it. Let's see. This is just kind of air in the bag. So let's see, and I'll throw my actual little pump on the side there. I do have a auto closing frunk. Look at that, plenty of room. It actually worked great. So even with my power closing frunk, if you don't have that, you can easily just close it yourself, but it worked fine. Fits in the frunk and the sub trunk. Love that. Wrapping up my final thoughts about this Lost Horizon Align Plus mattress, I'm really impressed. I really do like its ability to conform to those back seats, offer tons of support. The one-way valve is super cool where you turn it to whether you want to inflate or deflate. How many times have you been inflating a pool toy or a mattress or a blow-up thing and you pull out the nozzle and it kind of, all the air rushes out? Doesn't happen with this. I'm super impressed with this little tiny rechargeable pump as well. I like the ability to have this rechargeable pump where you can take it out, charge it. You don't have to worry about it being integrated into the mattress and maybe breaking or having something go wrong with it. So having an external pump unit like that is a really cool design feature. This also fits in your trunk and your frunk. So it's really cool that you can kind of pack and customize your Tesla. I know a lot of us guys that like to Tesla camp have a sub-trunk fridge or something in their sub-trunk like a fridge to help keep all of their things cool, your food, all your stuff like that. So putting this in your frunk is a real big space saver. So big thank you to Lost Horizon for sending this over to me to check out. I can't wait to take it out on a real camping trip. But for my first impressions, setting it up in my garage here, it's extremely comfortable and I really like it. You'll find a link to it down in the description on Amazon. If you're there, check out my Amazon storefront. You'll have a link to that in the description as well for all of the ways I like to camp in my Tesla, all their customized accessories that I've added, things like that too. Thank you guys for coming back for this video. I do really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And lots of really cool content coming up for the rest of the year as well. We're going to get out camping this year, I promise. I'm going to show you my entire camping setup. So subscribe if you want to see that. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Have an awesome day.